Hello everyone, my name is Christine. In this video, I will teach you the use of Gmail to write and send your own messages. You can use your Google account to create Gmail email address. It is very easy to manage, store, and organize your messages in Gmail. You can even store the same messages in different subject folders, so you will not have to worry where to store the message. You can add references to the message in all folders, so you can always retrieve the messages from each folder. Important messages are marked by a star. Also, you can gather various messages that are part of the same conversation and keep them together. In Gmail, you can follow all the email messages that are part of the same conversation because Gmail groups these messages for you. Therefore, in this video, you will learn how to sign up for Gmail and how to create and send messages. Next, you will learn how to open the message and then send a reply when you receive a message. If you have a lot of messages, you can categorize your email messages by using labels and stars. Let's start it. I hope you will learn a lot. Sign up for Gmail. Gmail is Google's email program. If you want to use this program, you will need to sign in first. Step 1. Open Internet Explorer. Step 2. Browse to www.google.com and click Gmail. In the right-hand side of the window, tap the username for your Google account. Then tap your password. Then click the button of Sign In. Now you see the web page of the Gmail. For security reasons, it is recommended not to let the program remember or auto-complete your passwords. If you want to sign up, you will need to enter some information first. Step 1. Click the Gmail. At the top of the page, you can see the button for creating an account. Click the button. Now you have to type some information. First, tap your first name and your last name. Tap the desired username for this account. The Gmail domain name at gmail.com will complete the potential new account. The Google Gmail will check the username automatically and tell you the username is available or not. If the name is already in use, you will see that the username is not available. But the following usernames are followed by some alternative suggestions. Now tap a different username. And then check the availability. Now the username is available. The next step is to create a password. Now tap your password. Gmail will tell you the password strength. Then confirm your password. And tap your birthday. And select your gender. Now tap your mobile phone. Then tap your current email address. You can check the box to set the Google as your default homepage. And check the box to skip the verification. Then choose your location. Now check the box to agree the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Then click the button to the next step. This message is show you to set the default homepage as Google. First, you will need to request a verification code which will be sent to your mobile phone. Then tap your phone number and choose how should you get the code. Now check the radio button is the text message and then continue. Now you will receive an SMS message containing your code. Tap your code and click the Continue button. If you have successfully signed up, you will see this homepage. This page is the welcome message for you sign in the Gmail. Then click Continue to Gmail. Afterwards, you will receive an email message in the inbox of your Gmail Google account. You will not see the message in this window because it will be placed in the inbox of the Google account. You have to just create it. Now you will see the inbox. In the inbox, you will see a welcome message. Click the first message. You might see multiple or different messages on your own screen. Now you will see the contents of the message. To return to the inbox, click the Back to Inbox button or click the Inbox button. Send and receive mail. Now you are going to send a message to yourself. Click Compose. Tap your Gmail address. Tap Vacation as your subject. In the text box, tap the following words. While composing a message, you can use the text formatting button on the bar above the message. Most of these buttons should look familiar. They are similar to several other email programs and text editor. Click the button to insert emotion icons. This will open the emotion icons. You can use these symbols to express moods, emotions, or reactions. Click an appropriate emotion, for instance. The emotion icon will then be inserted in the text at the current position of the mouse pointer. To hide the emotion icons, click the button again. Before sending the message, you can check the spelling. To try this out, first make a spelling mistake. Then tap to several words and click the Check Spelling button. Unknown words will be marked in yellow. Click the first word. The listed word is used to correct the word spelling. And then click Done. The yellow markers have been removed. You can now send the message. By the way, if you want to use different language to check the spelling, you can click the button next to the Check Spelling and choose the language that you need. Now click the button to send the message. Now click the inbox. Here you see the message you have sent to yourself. At the top of the inbox, you will see a bar with some ads. The Gmail service is financed by advertising. Here the sender has been automatically changed to me, but the line could have contained an email address as well. Click your message. You will see your message. Now you are going to reply to this message. Click Reply. and type some words. And click the button to send the message. The message has been sent. Click the button to back to inbox. You now see a tool appended to the message. Click your message. A group of messages that belong together is called a conversation. In Gmail, messages that belong together will automatically be saved together. This allows you to follow the full conversation regarding a particular subject very easily. Here you can see the original message and then reply to this message. You will see the last message and the title of the first message. Now the message has been opened. You can close the message by clicking the title once more. Leave the message open, however, for the next couple of exercises. In this example, you have seen that Google can easily group and store messages that are part of the same conversation. This may come in handy when you send the same message to a large number of people who are all going to reply to your message. You will find all these messages in the same conversation. Categorizing with labels and stars. You can categorize your email messages in a variety of ways. In Gmail, you can use labels and stars for this purpose. First, use labels to categorize your messages by subjects. Second, use stars to mark important messages or messages that need your attention. Labels and stars are merely references to certain messages. The original message will always be stored in the All Mail folder. So, by classifying a message, you will not move the message to a different location. Click the message and click the button of labels. Click Travel and then click Apply. Now you will see that this message has been categorized under the Travel label. Click Travel. This page shows all messages which contain the Travel label. A message can contain multiple labels.
You can even create your own labels. First, you need to select the message or the conversation for which you want to create a new label. So click Inbox and click the message. Then click the button of Labels and choose Create New. Now you have to enter a new label name. Type Vacation. Then click Create. Now this message contains two labels, Travel and Vacation. You can remove the travel label from this conversation. Click the button of travel label. Now the label of travel is removed. So the travel label does not refer to the conversation anymore. Click Vacation at the left-hand side of the window. Here you will still see the conversation. If from now on you want to use vacation instead of travel, you can delete the travel label. Click Labels and click Manage Labels. Here you will see the labels which are shown and the ones that are hidden. First, you will see the system labels. You cannot delete them, only show or hide them. Click Show for the old mail. Now you will see the new old mail system label. To delete the label of travel, drag the scroll bar downwards. In the labels, you will see the travel label and click Remove. This window shows the message, delete the label travel. Click Delete. Now the travel has been removed. If necessary, drag the scroll bar upwards and click Old Mail. In the Old Mail folder, you will find all sent and received messages, which have not been deleted. If you think a specific message or conversation is important, you can mark it with a star. You will see all messages and conversations after you click All Mail. Now, click the first messages to check the box next to the conversation. And click More. Then click Add Star. The star will be added to the conversations and messages you have selected. You will see a star like this next to the email address. In the left-hand side of the window, you will see the star folder. In the star folder, you can find all star messages. If you want to return your inbox, click Inbox. Now you will see the messages in the inbox. After you have read the messages, you can archive them. You will need to select them first. Click the button and click All. Then click the second button, Archive. Now the messages have been removed from the inbox, but they are still stored in the All Mail folder. Click All Mail at the left-hand side of the window. The All Mail folder contains all the messages you have sent and received, but have not yet deleted. To remove a single message from a conversation, you need to open the conversation first. In the All Mail folder, you will still see the message. Click your conversation. Open the message that you want to delete. Now you are going to delete the first message. Click the first message. Click the button at the right-hand side of the message. Click Delete this message. The message has been deleted. The other message in this conversation has not been deleted. You will find the deleted message in the trash folder. So click More button at the left-hand side of the window. You may see a different number of buttons on your screen, or the trash folder may already be visible. Click Trash. The Gmail will automatically and permanently delete all messages in the trash folder after 30 days. To empty the entire trash folder, click Empty Trash Now. If you want to delete one of the messages manually, you need to check the box next to the message and then click Delete Forever. To restore a message, check the box next to the message. Click Move to. Click Vacation. Now the message has been restored and the trash folder is empty. Click Vacation. The message has been restored to the vacation folder and is included in the conversation once more. Click All Mail. In the vacation folder, you will only see a reference. The actual message can be found in All Mail. The message has automatically been restored to that folder. If you have restored a message to a All Mail folder and afterwards see only a single message, the information in the window most likely needs to be refreshed. Click the button to refresh.